What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a 2025 Honda HR-V started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If we try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying to start, touch start button with emblem side of remote. So we're going to grab our remote and we're going to touch the back of it to the stop start button. You'll hear a beep and then you'll see the stop start button glow solid, and then we'll be able to start the vehicle as normal. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.